What's up, YouTube Shorts? So today we got a crazy car collection. Here's a Ranix RSI. I must say these cars are really starting to grow on me, but the only thing that I don't like is sometimes the motor, because you can break them very easily. Maybe I'm wrong, but you must spend crazy money to get it bulletproof. Comment down below if I'm wrong. Then we also have a 1600 that's almost looking the same vibes as the RSI, and then we also got the Quest that's lowered, pretty insane car. And then we also have the 1800 Ranix standing at the back, and one special Toyota Conquest that's standing in the middle. So if you can choose any one of these cars, guys, which one would you choose and why? I must say, a pretty insane lineup of cars and some special cars that's standing here.